to all our listeners. This is Filed Under, where we talk about all things shows, all things movies. P.S. Spoilers ahead.
Settle in mga kauban and get your notes app ready for Filed Under Must Watch.
Yes. So, how have you been? It's been a
Ang
long
tagal na
time.
nating walang review. So, how was life been last April and March, DJ Reg?
Yeah. So before the Lenten season, no, it was the MC Olympics, and then Escolaro, and then cookout. So it has been pretty busy for me, and also the kuan much. It was a very well deserved na break.
yeah.
Yes. How about you?
Same to you? Kasi same for those who don't know, same college lang kami ni Ate, that's School of
School
Management.
of Management.
So we're management tycoons.
Yes.
And I share the same experience na very busy as a block representative rin. Ito, very demarcated question. Demarcated. Word ba yan? Okay, so how was it like as a girl during March and April with all those events?
It was pretty average lang naman. I don't think there was much of a difference, especially also kay like nag-organizer ko. But it wasn't, I didn't really feel much like kanang imbalance of gender. But like, ganun, asking man ka.
Nga nag-ask nga ako. Kaya nag-ask ako Okay, nag-ask ako kasi ating first recommendation for today is my recommendation at very popping siya and relevant for today's video. Goodness gracious.
Goodness
Yun
gracious.
ay ang Girl, Boy, Bakla, Tomboy by Wenvy de Ramas.
Yes, si Derek
So tanong ko,
Wen.
DJ Reg, napanood mo na ba yun?
Of course!
Okay.
I watched it when it first came out.
Me too during
Some 2000 something.
2013 December 25.
Because
Oh my-
Vice Ganda's movies are mga December
Yeah,
for
every
MMFF.
Metro Manila Film Festival. So like,
support local.
the previous one was 2012 was Sister Rakas, 2014 was The Amazing Private Benjamin 2. Ganyan ka-iconic ang movies ni Vice na alam ko. But speaking of Girl, Boy, Bakla, Tomboy, what do you think about the show or the movie?
The movie, nung first, when Vice Ganda was promoting it, I thought na joke time niya pa rin because, she's a comedian.
Yeah.
So, I didn't really expect much that she was gonna portray a girl, a boy, bakla, tomboy. So, 4 main roles. Like, she was really the star of the movie. But I was pleasantly surprised with the
Yeah.
movie. She really did her big one. Like, the characters wasn't so similar, that they had their own individuality. She portrayed that very well. And I really like the lines also.
Yeah. Sa akin naman, bukod sa iconic lines, it's very hard kasi to do 4 characters or at least 2 characters let alone
Yes.
very hard. Tapos, parang meron pa yan sa editing side and hindi pa ganun kahasa, I would say, ang Philippine editing at that time, or like, hindi pa nabibigyan pansin or with much resources. So, looking at it, very convincing na especially yung magkakaharap gud sila. Do you remember the
Yeah.
scene na parang may isang chair sa gitna and then parang nag-trip to Jerusalem yun sila.
Hindi ko. Natuto sa katong balay nila.
Kasi itong first time nila nakita ang isa't isa.
Yes.
So yun, dun rin sa bahay nangyari yung
Iconic line.
iconic line ngayon, which
ikaw
is
yung nag-shoplift.
yeah.
Yeah.
Which starts with
Ano?
goodness,
Goodness gracious.
Pero
Yes.
bukod sa like sa mga funny lines and like iconic moments ng show, let's talk deeper about it. What it says about Filipino cinema, Filipino values, kumbaga. So how do you see a
The
family?
movie.
How do you see the movie with a family of like different gender identities and what so?
Yes, and I also think na it's important their family dynamic. Kasi 'di ba, they were separated after birth because of the mother of their father.
Which is
the
lola nila.
yes, ang lola nila kay gi-separate sila
Si Lola
because
Auring ata niya.
I really Lola
Auring
Auring yan
ba?
name. I don't really know the names.
Kung alam nyo, comment nyo ngayon
Comment
dyan
yun
sa
namin.
live.
But I do know na like kato gi-separate sila at birth because ayaw nung lola na 4 yung kids. Tas 'di ba ayaw niya din
Meron
dun-
bang reason actually? Feeling ko, gusto lang niya na makuha yung anak. Or
Ay,
something.
actually
Parang wala ata nasabi.
Ay,
Masama
hindi.
lang talaga
yung
siya.
like when nag-pack yung lola ng mga kids, tas naabutan na nung mama.
Pero bakit specifically 2 lang ang kinuha niya, hindi 4?
Hindi, kasi naabutan nung mama.
Like
Like, while they were,
apat na
yes!
nakukunin niya.
So,
Okay, gets.
like, naka-line up na sila, and then dalawa pa lang yung nakukuha ng lola,
Ay,
tas
tumakbo na
dumating
lang.
yung mama.
Tapos nakita ni
Yes!
Miss Maricel
Yes, Marcel
Soriano.
Soriano.
Oo.
Na ano, like, saan dadalhin yung mga anak ko? Kaya yun, dinish na lang yung dalawa.
Anong sinabi niya doon? Mga anak ko yan!
Ah!
Yung ba yun? Sige, gawin mo daw.
Yes, yun na scene. And then, like,
Gawin mo
it
daw.
just, no, ayoko. But
Sabi ko
anyways,
lang.
it was the scene, it shows na how, like, Filipino families, kay very, like, a lot of Filipino boys are very, like, mga mama's boy, you know, because,
Yeah.
like, the father didn't really stand up for their mom.
But the thing is, hindi rin kasi sinabi ng mama ng papa ng 4 na anak.
Ng lola. Oo.
Hindi sabi ng lola na parang ma-remember ko parang hindi niya lagi sabi ang real reason bakit kinuha yung dalawa sa tatay. So like baka pinerceive na lang niya na binigay ng nanay or something like that. Pero kung mali ako, i-comment nyo ka ng tama dyan.
No, kasi 'di ba nag-give birth siya sa mental hospital.
Hindi, pero the thing is, si Lola Auring kasi, parang hindi niya sinabi na kinuha lang yung mga bata kasi gusto niya. Parang meron siyang gi-frame na reason na parang puts bad light kay Maricel Soriano.
Hindi
Oo.
yung baliw siya.
Hindi.
Okay.
Pero
Kasi
iconic rin niya.
Yes.
Masabi mo yung iconic.
yung sinabi nag-give birth siya sa mental
Mental
hospital.
institution niya.
Yes. Tapos yung nagpaanak sa kanya ay doktor
Oo.
na
Siya
hindi talaga siya
si Sisa daw siya kasi si Crispin at Basilio yung anak niya.
Ah!
Oo. Sabi ni Marcel Soriano, Sisa, anak yan! Ano yun, narinig ko. Pero very faint lang yun. Oo.
I didn't remember na that part.
Oo.
Pero also, di ba nung, like, the movie takes place na when they were adults. And then, it was fun to see how differently they've grown. Kasi, di ba, they were from 2 different worlds. Kasi yung...
US and Philippines.
US, literal.
Oo.
Tas, also, like, yung, di ba, like, from Silver Spoon, and then, yung sila naman, Maricel Soriano, they were, like, poverty. They were...
Sa probinsya sila.
Yes, magsasaka sila, and then lumipat
Kailangan
lang
nila
sila.
magkayod.
Yes, like kayod na kayod talaga sila. And then, di ba the reason that they met up kasi for the liver?
Lover boy?
No, di ba? May sakit si,
Oo,
si
may
Boy.
sakit si Boy. Pero may sakit rin si Panying.
O, pero hindi niya
Oo.
sinabi.
Hindi, si Panying may anemic.
Si Panying. Di,
Panying ang name niya.
si Panying si Boy?
si Tomboy.
Si Tomboy.
Oo.
Pero hindi ba si Boy? Kaya may sakit din si Boy.
Oo.
So, masakitin sila. Bakit may sakit si Boy? Tapos may sakit si
Siguro
Tomboy.
may sakit rin daw.
Yung nunal niya. Di ba kay kuan pa siya booger? Tapos like, all this time, I had a booger in my face.
Shala,
Yun yung-
akala nila paminta.
Yes, yun yung legend ng bakit pa iba-iba yung location
ng
ng mall niya. Kasi nakita ko sa TikTok na madaming like, ngano daw, mag-switch ang places. Yung, oh guys, you didn't see the movie then.
Buhay kasi yung mall niya. 2 years old na kasi yun.
Yes, but it's really a must-watch, no? Kasi
Go.
it's a classic of Philippine cinema.
So if you want to have like sumaya lang, tumawa, you watch it. And funny masyado yung sa sa liver na scene, yung transplant na nahulog
Bakit?
kasi yung liver, tapos meron pa daw 5 seconds. So gitapon nila, kalaki ng liver, parang hindi naman yung liver ng tao.
Really?
Napanay 5 seconds, gitapon, tapos gihatag nila, gisuksok kay Boy.
Oh, I remember ano na
Luoy
part.
ni Boy, uy.
Really?
Abunda.
Ay.
Ang dami kong entry today, ha?
Real.
Okay.
But,
So, wrap up na ta kay, di ka po na ko. Joke lang. Wala ba dahil, napay sa akin recommendation. Pero
yeah,
overall, what do you think about the film?
I like it.
Okay.
Yun lang. I like it. No, like, it's really fun and it's really a must-watch kasi, like, if you just want to get your head out of, the slumps, like, it's just a really easy watch also.
That's why it's a must-watch.
Yes.
Which is our category today. Sa akin naman, to sum it up, parang I feel like it's a really great film that really bolstered Vice Ganda's discography, filmography rather, bukod sa
Private Benjamin.
Private Benjamin o Patrang Kabayo. So,
Oh.
super nice na we had a film like that. I don't know if gagawin pa ni Vice something like that, but hopefully yes, kasi mga ganong types of comedy ang like patok talaga sa kahit anong edad. Yan.
Honestly, it's
Yeah.
like everyone can watch.
Yeah, so far yun lang muna for our recommendation 1, DJ Reg. So before we talk about our second recommendation, mga kauban, filed under will be back after this short reminder. We're back. Oh, okay, go.
We're back. So, now it's time for my recommendation.
Okay, so anong recommendation mo?
So, di ba nag-talk about naman na tayo from Philippines and a movie. So, I wanna switch it up a bit and talk about a show, a Western show. It's The Good Place.
Now by the Bad Place.
Nuh-uh. Oh, you did. It's in the show.
So, what is it
also.
about ba, DJ Reg?
The Good Place is about like heaven. It's about afterlife, basically, The Good Place. Because the main character, Eleanor, died, basically. And then...
So lahat sila patay doon?
Oo, lahat sila
Okay,
patay.
okay.
Siguro.
Sinabi ba kung
Yes.
bakit sila namatay?
Oo, sinabi din sa show.
Kay Eleanor, bakit siya namatay?
Dahil sa, basta like for some stupid reason lang yun siya.
Okay, go.
Oh, tas like I don't really remember the details na talaga. I watched it kasi nung pandemic.
Okay.
Yes.
So that was
But-
6 years ago.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh, gag.
Pandemic
Ang
was 6 years
ago.
ago.
Actually, hindi ko sure kung pandemic. Basta, mga close to that.
Okay, go.
But yeah. It's about like they're in heaven na daw. They were welcomed and they're like, oh, you're in heaven. So, but si Eleanor, feel niya talaga na hindi siya belong. Like,
Hindi mo
parang,
Gusto niya sa hell? Ano ba yan?
no, because parang alam niya, parang may secret siya na like hindi alam.
Parang may mali?
Oo, parang
okay.
the feel niya talaga na there's like, is this heaven na talaga? Like, parang ganun
So,
siya.
di siya content sa heaven?
No, parang may mga, there were things that she wasn't comfortable with sa heaven.
So, parang,
So, parang she wasn't at
is
peace.
this really heaven? Parang
Yes,
ganun na-
kasi parang yung feeling niya na, is this the eternal life that everyone's been raving about?
Okay.
Ganun. And then, ay, parang mali ata yung name niya dun. Di ko alam. Basta kay...
Pero siya yung actor ni, siya yung voice actor ni, ni Anna.
Ana sa Elsa?
Oo.
Sa Frozen?
Anna sa Frozen.
Ana sa Frozen.
Ano
Oo.
naman yan?
Ana sa Elsa? Yeah.
Basta si Anna, si
Oo.
Kristen Stewart. Kristen Stewart ba? Sino ba?
Dili. Si Kristen Bell siya.
Oh, Kristen Bell, pero siya si Anna. Voice ni Anna.
Really?
Yeah. So
Okay.
what about the show? Ano na nangyari? Like,
Oh.
bakit siya na-weirdan?
Basta kina-weirdan siya. Ay,
Eh, gusto
watch
niya
nyo.
na. So, tanungin natin yung director, writer. Okay.
yes. Basta, yun, i-watch nyo na lang kung bakit kasi hindi ko na din matandaan. Basta,
So, ano tong review na to?
no, kasi gusto ko yung the essence of the
The
show.
show. Okay.
Yes. It's not really about the details. Kasi, okay, spoilers ahead. Di ba nag-spoilers ahead na kami kanina? So, I'll just say it na here. That wasn't really the good place. It was hell, actually. Yes. That
Shala
was
naman sa hell.
No, that was the plot twist of the movie
The
because...
show.
the show rather. Sorry. That was the plot twist of the show because everyone there weren't really meant to be there. They were all meant to go to hell. So, all of the things there at that place were things that made them uncomfortable.
So, ginagaslight sila nun.
Yes,
Oh
they
my
were
gosh.
they were tortured pina-low-key. So, yeah, the mga shops daw there were froyo because like according to the devil, kaya like yun daw yung parang it wasn't really good but it also not bad.
So, yung mga people doon kay like, minions ng devil? Ano may mga devils?
Yes,
Pala?
like a lot besides the main cast, all of the other people were devils. They were
Scary
yes.
naman.
So all of them were secretly being punished, but they didn't know.
How? Paano yun? Pero
Like-
they frame it as the good place. How is that?
Like it was like on the surface it was good, like it was very bright, and then they had their own homes and stuff like that. But there were certain situations or certain things that happened in there that made them uncomfortable or that were punishing them. For example, like
so
si
internal
Chidi.
struggle.
Yes, it was
Okay.
because you couldn't really
Parang
also
masakit yan. Kasi
Diba?
sa physical,
yes, and then
pagpapahirap.
they were also there was this there Chidi, which was also a main character there.
Mm-mm.
Parang he was allergic to bees.
Mm-mm.
And then there was a scene where they had to catch bees. Ganon. So like that was when Eleanor started to like question like, is this really heaven? Because like ganon nga, like she wasn't really feeling the heaven vibe.
So what
siguro.
was the reason daw? Bakit ganun yung ginawa
Set
ng
up.
mga devil people?
Because of the parang siya yung game maker ng ng place, like kasi they portrayed it as na parang may own office yung mga devils.
Mm-mm.
So, like, they were the architects, yung tawag doon. The
Ah.
architects, yes. So, like, he suggested that they make a place that's like that, na parang tino-torture yung mga people, but like slowly. Like, pinaslow burn.
Late game.
Yes.
Late game ang paghihirap.
Yes, because they were bored na daw with the, like, ordinary torture of firing
Grabe
people.
naman.
Yes, like it's really in the movie na parang because they also went on a journey to appeal to God para dalhin sila sa heaven.
And then
So,
what happened ba?
they went to the office of the devil and then they were
Shala Office of the Devil.
yes, honestly, like it was a whole metropolitan
Merong
area.
bureaucratic process
Yes.
dyan.
Yes, like there was
Wow,
stages
mag-file
to
siya.
it.
Nabay
Oo,
Office
oo.
of Student Affairs dyan.
No, they were
Office of Devil Affairs.
Oda.
What? Oda.
Oda siya. No, they weren't saying na
Meron
they
bang
were
ano?
humans kasi the devils would eat them. Yes, so they pretended na
Ay, tama kasi human instinct nila. Physically,
Yes.
paano yung mga
Oo.
nasa hell.
Yes, so nagpretend sila they were devils or they were hiding.
Mm-mm.
They went on a journey to ask kasi parang all of their kuan mo God, all of their faults weren't really like grabe. Like they didn't kill anyone.
Yun rin. So, napunta
Yeah, so
sila sa
parang
hell.
purgatory.
Napunta sila sa hell, pero yung extent ng reason bakit sila sa hell was not as heavy as like, for example, murder.
Yes.
Okay.
Like parang ano siya.
Kaya napunta sila doon. Hindi sa
Yes.
hell mismo na like
Oo.
patayan and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because, for example, si Chidi, he went there, he was assigned there kasi he was too indecisive.
Kaya di ba ethics professor yun siya?
Oo, ethics professor siya. And then, he was too indecisive.
Grabe naman, mahal ko pang indecisive.
Yeah, because the reason daw is, he inconvenienced people because of his indecisiveness.
Pero di ba personality trait lang naman yun?
I don't know, talk to the devil daw.
So what if hindi mo maka-decide? So like for example, yung mga friends natin na, anong gusto nyo?
Saan
Kayo,
kakain?
anong gusto
Oh,
nyo?
yeah.
Saan tayo kakain? Kayo, anong gusto
Chidi
nyo?
was like that. Like, he
wag
kept
kayo
on-
ganyan.
wag daw kayong ganyan. Kasi fault daw yan. But yeah, that was the reason. And then the other girl was, napunta siya there because she was too maarte.
Grabe naman.
Yes, kasi daw because the vainness na put of the
Bothersome
girl.
na ang kasya
Yeah,
niya.
like yung, para siyang like, I don't want to be friends with you because you're like this, like ganyan na siya. So, nagpaka-judgmental na siya. So, yeah, that's why they weren't really directly to hell, but they were to hell-like situation. And it's a really nice show because it also opens up our eyes that, not everything is as good as black and white.
Katasad.
Diba? Like, at surface level, you would think na, it's okay if I'm indecisive because I'm just wasting my time. But you don't really see that, you're also wasting somebody else's time, like the people you're with. And these are the little things that we don't really think about much. But when it adds up, like it really adds
Yeah.
up. Like it builds up into
It
something
also affects
bigger.
others.
Yes, and I think that's also a part of the movie that not everything is going to be convenient for you, but it's about how you respond to the situations.
Right.
Yes, because at the end of the movie, Manggot, they also
show.
they went at the end of the
Pero
show.
one season lang ba siya?
No, it's 3. I
Okay.
think 3, 4. And then they arrived in
6?
heaven na. No, it's
7. Sorry. I needed to insert that.
it's 4 seasons.
4 seasons daw sabi
The-
ng The
the-
Good Place people.
The, the Good Place people. Yes, it's 4 seasons. But at the end of the last season, they actually went to heaven, but they didn't like it. Kasi daw.
So, grabe, hindi sila na-fulfill sa ilang lives. Ano
Yeah.
nangyari?
yes.
Naging bula na lang sila?
No, diba, they went to the good place, the real good place. And then, it was very mundane. Like, it was a repeating cycle. They could ask for everything and anything, and it wasn't there.
Hindi na sila fulfilled.
Yes, like, it wasn't fulfilling na for them.
Parang na-desensitize na sila sa sobra ka-familiar nila.
Yeah, kasi there was no challenges. Like, the success was not sweet.
Mm.
Parang gano'n na siya. So, at the end, like, the last scenes, they asked to be, like, just
Wala.
in the void. Yes, just, like, slept. They just slept.
Ano yan? So like, ano ba yung glitters lang sila? Ano,
No,
particles?
they went to a
atoms?
black room lang. Tas ganon, parang pinasleep lang sila. They wanted that. They asked for it.
So like peace and
Yes.
serenity and
Yes.
quiet.
Mm-mm. Like parang wala lang. Ganon. They just wanted to sleep.
Such a lot to talk about life.
Diba? Like,
So,
it's very deep actually.
That's a nice recommendation. So yun,
Thank
panoorin nyo yan guys. 4 seasons lang. Nasa
Yes.
Netflix.
Netflix.
Pero kung wala kayo Netflix, nasa bawal pala. So legal streaming guys. Legal streaming.
Yes. Support
Okay,
cinema.
go.
Okay.
Okay,
Don't,
go.
don't leave just yet, mga kauban. Chill lang sa ta. We'll be back after this song.
And we are back, mga kauban. So we are still here reviewing filed under must-watch category. So ngayon, we'll talk about and synthesize everything what we learned sa Girl Boy Bakla Tomboy na movie and The Good Place na series. So
Yes.
what do you think about our recommendations today, DJ Reg?
I think it's a good balance of something like both of ours were actually not that deep. Like sa category nila. It's not a drama, it's not something heavy, but it holds meaning. Like, you know,
Yeah.
it's not really that much to like hindi ka madadrain that much about it, but like it makes you ponder about
Yeah.
things, 'di ba? So that makes it a must watch.
In a sense, it's also feel-good mga shows and movies kasi after watching it, hindi ka naman like lalabas na parang galit or hindi
Yeah.
ka
Like,
basta
walang
you're just
strong emotion.
Yeah, you're just happy and
Yes.
positive. And especially sa The Good Place, it really makes you think more about how life should be lived while
Honestly.
in the present.
Yes.
Yun.
Like, it makes you treasure life. And also, the girl boy, bakla tomboy. Kasi, di ba, they weren't together for a long time. So, it makes you feel grateful about
Yeah.
family, di ba? Like, it makes you really cherish life lang
And
talaga.
while your parents are there, take the time to appreciate them and love them as much as you can.
Yes, and
Kasi,
bond with them, actually. Because,
along with your siblings. Kasi like
Diba?
kung sa experience sila, parang years before they met and they came
A lot-
in like bad light kasi parang
Yes.
magkaaway sila. Pero in the end, kanang goods pa rin sila.
yeah, at the end of the day, we really only have each other
Mm-mm.
and
So-
yourself.
And yourself, yeah. Love yourself,
Yes.
guys. And I love how we're talking about life and family here kasi both are like integral concepts na
Integral
Yes.
concepts. Yeah.
integral concepts na as people we need to ponder upon. Parang palalim na to. Hindi naman dapat.
Ano na yung mga movies na
So what do you think
pinagkakabay?
about the recommendations pa? Ano pa ba pwede pag-usapan?
Ikaw, what do you feel about
Sa
the
akin, I feel
recommendations?
like for Girl Boy Bakla Tomboy, it opened a lot on conversations and spaces on gender identity
Yes,
and how
actually, I was about to say because
Oo.
'di ba especially 2013,
wasn't really a time
'di ba? Yeah, you said
for
it was,
at maybe
was
maski
the-
tolerance parang wala rin ata.
'di ba? And like Vice has already been an icon for like the LGBTQ community, and then
Mm-mm.
she came out with that movie, and like yeah, it was ahead of its time,
Yeah.
especially in the Philippines for
To be
being a
honest.
conservative country.
Hanggang
Yeah.
ngayon wala pa ganing Soji bill.
Yeah,
So, like,
same-sex
it's-
marriage, like it's
things
really
like that.
still not that much, but we've come a long way.
But it's great because dahil sa movie na yun, it opened up spaces for people to
Yes.
talk about that. Maybe at least those in power who have the ability to create change and yet do not want to see them or do not want to push through at the end of the tunnel.
Yes, because at the end of the day, we need to speak about it for it to really improve, for the situation to actually move.
And more so about the words, these leaders needs to walk the talk.
I
Yeah.
like that. They need to walk the talk.
Walk the talk.
Diba?
Walk the talk. So, sino magtatakbo? Ay, sino mag-run?
Sa? Ay, walk naman daw. So, dili sila mo run.
Need ba ng Strava? Pag nagwa-walk ka ng talk. And how about sa Sa The Good Place. Ano nakuha natin doon? I think...
It's really that. About life lang talaga siya. It makes you ponder about your life decisions.
And then sa about good and bad, na-learn ko
Yes.
to sa ethics na it comes in waves. There's no like moral absolutism na like if you do one thing na good, bad na yung kabila.
Yes.
So it really comes in waves.
Yes.
Waves.
Sino bang professor mo sa ethics?
Hi, sir. Hi, sir na
Shout
lang.
out na kay sir.
Sana perfect ako sa exam.
Ay. Yes.
And what more about sa The Good Place? I think the differences sa characters kasi
Mm-mm.
lahat sila may different modes or like upbringing in life na
Yes.
pag nag-bind together would make you think how fulfillment should be and how life should be lived and
Yes.
somehow makarelate ka in one of those characters.
Yes, because they had different struggles, they came from different upbringings, but somehow they still made up, or they still came to solidarity. You know, they came
Solidarity
together.
and unity. So kanang, I relate with Chidi kasi to be honest, indecisive ako ngayon. Hindi ko nga alam kung saan ako uupo kanina or anong mic gagamitin ko. Pero at least, sana hindi naman ako mapupunta sa Hell No or sa The Good Place na yan. Huwag naman po sa mga The Good Place people. Ay, dito pala, The Good Place people. Dumapa pala, The Good Place people.
Yes.
So yun. Ano pa ba?
Okay, so we hope you got
Ang smooth na.
Diretso.
Ang smooth
Okay.
na. Okay. So ano
So
sa
we-
tingin mo? Wrapping everything up, anong masasabi mo?
I think that you should
Ang
watch.
masasabi mo ay
Sorry.
nag-segue
So,
agad.
we hope you got interested into watching The Good Place and Girl Boy Bakla
Bakla
Tomboy. Let's continue the discussion by interacting with us online, mga kauban.
I know you're interacting with us sa comment section. So hi dyan sa mga nagpapa-shoutout sa there. Hi. So don't forget to follow us on our socials. That's DYUP_UPC on Instagram, X, and TikTok.
We are also on Spotify and YouTube. That's DYUP Sugbo.
Catch Filed Under every Wednesday, 2:30 in the afternoon, and Friday, 1:30 in the afternoon, only here at DYUP Sugbo.
This has been DJ Reg.
And DJ Hizam for Filed Unders Must Watch.
Bye.
Bye.